What's up? What's up?
Yun. Okay. What's up? What's up? Alright, so quick time check. It's now 7:35 in the evening, and it's me again, cryptocurrency trader, live here on YouTube. So we just moved on from Facebook. So now we're on YouTube ngayon, guys. And in tonight's episode, definitely we are going to talk about BTC, since there's a huge probability na makakita tayo ng huge retracement next week. So we are anticipating a price of around 11,000 mark price, no. So that's what we are looking for next week. So possible magkaroon tayo ng retracement, guys. And with that, so umpisa natin ang ating analysis for tonight with our market cap analysis. So let's move on to our chart. So here, ayun, what's up? And makita natin ang market cap natin is now already at 359. So down to no, sorry. sorry. So from 380 down to 359. So I believe yesterday it was around 355, around that number. Tapos BTC dominance now already 59.5%, which means there's still a weakness in the, hindi pala weakness, I mean the BTC price is still dominant, no? I mean the deep BTC itself is still dominant sa buong market. That's why wala masyado siyang galaw, kasi before it was around 60.5 and 60.1%. So lagi natin binabanggit yun. And mapapansin din natin, guys, that yung 2% na nawala rin is also already had a huge impact sa mga altcoins. So pag naulan na ibang pera yung altcoin, definitely most of them will have a breakout, okay? Or they will have at least trend continuation on their price action or price structures. So tingnan natin ngayon, guys, yung top 10, and Bitcoin is now already at 11,500. So kind of struggling, no, to break the 12,000. That's why bumaba na naman siya sa 11,500. With Ethereum, okay, 387 from 400 na mark na to na resistance. And we also see these markets as bullish since we are not on the distribution stage yet. Okay, so pag i-anticipate natin yun, make sure that we already had this confirmation. And for me, if I'm going to short this market, definitely the number one indicator is breakdown. Okay, so yung isa natin titingnan before we go short. Pero as of now, hindi pa natin nakita na bearish siya. That's why wala pang short. So we are more of long. We are more of a go long sa market. So now let's move on sa ating BTC USDT analysis. So, ayan guys. Ayan na. This is the moment of truth. Okay, so dito makakita tayo again same scenario pa rin ng hidden divergence. But the problem is that na violate na yung hidden divergence natin. Okay, na violate na siya. So kung makikita natin supposedly dito yon, pero ang nakita ko na mangyayari is baka magkaroon tayo ng another continuation dito sa ating EMA. So sa mga nagtatanong anong indicator to, this is our EMA 50. So we color this orange. And kung compare naman natin kung nasaan banda yung price na yan, so it's around 10,800 to sabihin natin 11,000 to be exact. 10,000. Ayun. So around this number yung support na titignan natin. So, if magkaroon ng continuation, since ito kasing area na to ng support natin is already have been tested for a lot of times. That's why we want to consider na anytime pwede ito magkaroon ng continuation in the downside. Okay? Pero, even though na it will or it might have its continuation in the downside, we are still bullish. Kasi if sabihin natin, okay, let's say, bumagsak na dito yung Bitcoin, and if we're going to check yung mga highs and lows yan, definitely still valid pa rin with this one kasi this is still considered a valid higher lows. That is also true with this one. So pag nagkaroon tayo ng continuation dito, ayan, possible yan. No? Higher lows pa rin siya. So retracements are normal with trends. That's why kung titingnan natin, we don't want to go short pa rin. We are still long, and especially with altcoins. So since baka magkaroon na ng retracement, medyo step away lang muna tayo for tonight. So I got stopped out with Ocean. Ayun, so masyadong maalon to. Okay. With Ocean. Ayan. So with Ocean USDT, so we had our entry. Okay, ibang Ocean to. Ayun, dito tayo sa Binance. Ayan, so we had an entry earlier sa Ocean. So punta tayo sa 5 minutes. Ayan, so this is our entry with Ocean. So we already move our umpisan mo natin entry natin. So we took an entry around this area. Ayun, nag-entry tayo dyan because our moving average seems supporting this level. Pero ayun nga, just in case magkaroon ng fake out, what we did is instead of letting our losses reach around this number, so since up on the upside na siya, minove na natin stop loss natin dito. So para magandang safety net yun, hindi pa rin tayo matatalo ng malaki. Kumbaga, lose small pa rin. And that is one of the number one thing that we always need to consider when it comes to risk management and trading. Okay, so as long as you can get out quickly, getting out quickly talaga yung very important lalo na kung alam mong losing position mo. Okay, and mukha talagang imposible na. So if you haven't that criteria yet, so I strongly recommend alamin nyo kung ano yung limitation sa mga strategy ninyo. So with me, nakita ko yung limitation strategy ko once na lumabas na talaga yung moving average. It has a low percentage na bumangon siya ulit. So madali na lang naman umentry ulit once na moving average starts to align again. And with that, sideways nung muna ako, more likely baka bukas na ulit ako mag-trade. Okay, so that's our market recap for Ocean USDT. And then tingnan naman tayo sa Ethereum. I'm also looking at Ethereum. Okay, so yan, same scenario. I'm expecting for the price to siguro go back at this moving average level. So if mangyari yan, definitely same, bullish pa rin tayo, and we're still looking for retracement kasi hindi yan basta-basta guys na pag dito tapos bubutasin yan. Possible yon. Wag natin alisin yung factor na yun, yung probability na yun, kasi that already happened in the past. So ito yun. Pero yun nga, we are just anticipating on what is happening now, and the highest probability is yun nga, we might land on the next support, which is 350 to 340 level of support. Okay, so that's our market recap for today. For tonight. And again, it's me again, cryptocurrency trader. Kung magti-trade kayo, make sure to plan your trade and trade your plan. And as always, trade responsibly. Maraming salamat. And see you tomorrow. Live ulit tayo. Thank you guys.
What's